Yo, that part is sick, dog. That part is sick. Yo, what's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today, we'll be reacting to a brand new track that was given unto us by Dimash. So I've seen that Dimash has been really consistent, giving us performances, giving us music, and giving us videos. And we're here to support Dimash 110% rate. So this brand new track that Dimash has given unto us, it's called KIELI MEKEN official music video. So I do not want to waste any more of your time. Let's dive in. Let's see what Dimash have to say in this particular video. Peace. Nice animation. I literally like this video though. I like how this looks unique, right? I guess this is a comet or something coming from space to land on Earth. I could picture something that's definitely going to go on, but you know, let's continue. Most definitely an eagle. One thing I can give Dimash credit for, it's because of his uniqueness. His music videos, his stories are always unique. It's giving that vibe where it seems as if nobody has never yet tried this before. And I do like that. I do like the movement, and Dimash is setting a trend for a lot of those Kazakhstan artists who are ready to become an artist, who are following Dimash's footsteps to become into someone great. Dimash is setting trends. So he's a trendsetter. No doubt about that. So I guess Dimash is a savior, right? Who's descended from space to come and protect Earth. Because we know in this time and age, we've seen a lot of things happening. And sometimes people really need someone to save them because of the chaotic momentum, right? But Dimash descended from heaven to protect these people. So let's continue. I wonder who Dimash is going to rescue at this point, because I can see he's descended from outer space, now riding a horse. Because you all know back in those days where people use horses as transportation and chariots as transportation. So I guess Dimash ride horse because we are living in a modern time now. Everywhere in this world, most of this world is modernized, right? So to see Dimash give us something like this, it's totally badass, bro. Oh my god, yo, this song sounds so sweet. Yo, this song sounds sweet, bro. It's giving a vibe, bro. Yo, this video, the visuals are crazy, beautiful scenery, and Dimash's energy, it's energized, bro. It's giving that positive feeling that the fans supported him for, bro. And I do like this. Once we see Dimash displayed an eagle here, that means he's here to hunt someone, right? Or he's here to protect something. I'm not sure. But the eagle is a descendant of hunter, right? And to see these dogs displaying in this video, something is up. Oh my god, this video is so good. I mean, like, Dimash is so perfect when it comes down to these videos, these performances. I mean, like, when you sit and you take the time out to listen to old Dimash, put his words together, put his music together, displays stories out there. It's it's a phenomenon. Because when Dimash sing, you can feel it through your core, bro. You can feel it through your life, man. He's giving some realistic music. It can't be denied.
Selemen, yerlerin gelin söken halkın koldadım katkan zamanın ağamana yersem degen Dağlanın ulanları kırran kılsayın sanmayda kılsa zepsen gürgünke kanat.
Oh wow, I do like this video, bro. It's giving such great feeling. Hey Dimash, wonderful video, my bro. Wonderful story as well. You are doing excellently.
Arman çol sezinlerde armanlarga жалғайды Қуат алып туған жерде қанат талап Енді қаным тамған жер.
Oh my god, bro, he's rising. Yo, he's risen as a savior because he has come to save people, right? And he's risen as a savior. I love it. I love it.
Atadan mata alған жер. En baydaqta qımmatsın mağan ümitin ota.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Dimash always shoot his video in some very places that I have no ideas about. Probably the fans will know, but I do not know. And this area seems so calm. It's as if it's in somewhere in Egypt, I'm not sure, or Kazakhstan. It could be shoot anywhere. But this scenery in this video, it's beautiful. I do like the land. And the livestock here is also beautiful as well. Beautiful video, Dimash. Dimash, very beautiful video. Yo, that part is sick, dog. That part is sick. That tradition is so neat, bro. Yo, this is so good. I'm enjoying myself here. I am feeling enjoying, bro. Whoa! Nice, bro. Nice, Dimash. Nice. This is so nice. Amazing guitar skills. Yo, this is so hardcore. I do love this video, Dimash. I am feeling good. Feeling really good. Wow. Wow, I can see that this man is a musical genius, right? Giving music with such beautiful phenomenon, he's reaching places, bro. And he's giving people chances to listen to how great he is and what type of phenomenon artist he is. Because he is, because, you know, music is essential and it's also everlasting, right? And if Dimash can give us these songs now and a couple years after it's still played, it's still sound brand new, still sound fresh, that music is life. And Dimash sing some music that speak life. Too good, bro. Too good, too good, too good, bro. Yo, drumming in the middle of the desert, bro. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. So where does he ascended from after he was descended, because I've seen that he risen his hand and he has ascended from earth. Where did he went? Born Bold, Kazakhstan. The video is finished, guys, and I think you guys already watched this video. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, remember, leave a like on this video and smash the subscribe button. Share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. And if you guys hasn't hit the bell icon for more Dimash, feel free to turn the bell icon on to be notified. And I can guarantee you all, you will not having any form of regrets. So I'll see you guys in the next video.